Okay, another update. So we've got all the walls painted. What did we do? Well, I did half the workshop, and then I was hoping not to get away with a second, not to require a second coat, but it turns out it did need a second coat. So second coat, this has all had a second coat. I've got some white to touch up on where I went a bit out of control there. And what I'm going to do when these other walls are dried with their first coat, I'm just going to look for the little patches and just quickly go over the patches where the paint's not gone on brilliantly well. So we've gone for some 3mm. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a piece there and then across and then down this wall, and I'm hoping I'll just have enough room to get my seat in the middle, and then hopefully I'm going to have it so I'm working on, facing the window for the view and the light, and then when I've finished the repair I can literally just spin around in the chair and access the computer and the packing area, which will all be in this end. So that's the plan. So we've had everything delivered, 3 metre length and 2 metre lengths. Interestingly, the 3 metre length is thinner than the 2 metres. Now, fortunately, the guy delivering actually mentioned that to me, because if he hadn't, I probably would have measured up the frame battening and got it all attached, and then found out that this one sticks up in the bloody air. I mean, it wouldn't have been a problem, but it would be nice if they're all at the same height. So we obviously have to take that into account when I'm doing the framework. And regarding the framework, in the past I've used decking screws, and I've just screwed into the battens and the floor. This time I've actually ordered a angled air nail gun. It can bang in nails up to 90mm long. It's like the roofers use, a proper professional gun. Just thought that might save a lot of wear and tear on my poor old knackered thumbs. We can just drag the compressor out the garage again and bang in some nails. Bought 3 lengths. I think it's 90, 63 and 50mm. It's the same make as the air gun. The air nailer. Which I can't even remember what make it is now. So that'll be here tomorrow. So we're going to give that a go. Hopefully that will make things easier. And once that paint is all finished, we'll get the carpet in. I'm not quite sure I'm going to get that 3 metre workbench out on my own. It's a bit heavy and it just fits. So that might be a problem, getting that back out again. Anyway, there you go, a quick update as to where we are at the moment. So we're getting there.